Hey guys, it's Alisha and Cherub here again. So today we are going to be doing a video about chopping. So we'll be using vegetables as our example because a lot of our recipes have veggies in them. And get keen and hope you learn a thing or two. Alright, so first things first, we need to make sure that we have a flat surface to chop on. So here I have my flat wooden chopping board, my flat bench, and to make it sturdy so that the chopping board isn't moving around like this when I cut, I'm just going to grab a wet cloth like this, lie it flat, lie my chopping board on top, and it's ready to go.
The next thing that's really important to consider is the knife that you choose. So there are a lot of knives for different uses, but my go-to knife is the chef's knife. This knife is the longer blade with a bit of a curve at the end, and this will enable you to cut many fruits and vegetables, especially for our recipes. The next thing is having the proper grip on the knife. So making sure all fingers are tucked in and you're having a strong hold on the knife. Then moving on, making sure you have the proper motion of cutting. So going up and down like this would not be ideal because you would bruise your fruit and vegetables and it would be tough to get through some of the vegetables we were about to cut. Making that rocking motion down and up is also really important to help the ease of cutting through things. So we're gonna get cutting.